Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AdMath. AdMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. As you know students, in last lecture we finished exercise 8.1 from chapter number 8 which name is circular measure, and the topic of exercise 8.1 was conversion of angles from radian to degrees and degrees to radians. Exercise 8.2 is extended the topic of radians measure, and the topic of exercise 8.2 you can see on the screen the length of arc. What is length of arc? If you have a circle and you take out the part of circle, for example you can see the circle with center O, the part of a circle, if you take out AOB, this part is called the sector, and the distance from A to B is called arc length. This AB is arc and the length of this arc is r theta, where r is the radius of the circle. What is radius? The distance from the center to the boundary of the circle, or you can say the distance from the center to the circumference is called radius. And theta is the angle subtended at center. Always measure in radians. So for this concept we are going to start exercise 8.2. Let's have a look. Question number 1. Question number 1 of exercise 8.2. Find in terms of pi the arc length of a sector of ABCD. 4 parts. So arc length formula is r theta. R is the radius. R is the radius and theta is the angle measured in radians. So part A, R is 6 centimeter and theta is pi by 4 radians. Obviously, wherever you see the angle in terms of pi, it means it is in radians. So the arc length formula is S is equals to r theta. R is 6 into pi by 4, and 6 into pi by 4 is 3 pi by 2 centimeter. Because it is a length, we have to write in centimeter. Part B, R is 5 centimeter and theta is 2 pi upon 3. Therefore arc length is equals to r 5 into theta 2 pi upon 3. It is equals to 2 pi upon 3, not 2 pi upon 5. I am sorry, 2 pi upon 5. So 5 cancel to 5. 2 pi centimeter is our answer. Come to part C. R is equals to 10 centimeter and theta is equals to 3 pi by 8. So S is equals to R, theta is 3 pi by 8. After simplification you will get 15 pi upon 4, because you have to give the answer in terms of pi. This is the requirement of question. Part D, R is equals to 18 centimeter and theta is equals to 5 pi by 6. So S is equals to R into theta, which is 5 pi by 6. 6 3 is the 18, 3 5 is the 15 pi centimeter is the answer. So this is question number 1, which is very easy. Let's start question number 2. The same requirement just like question number 1, find the arc length of a sector of A. R is equals to 8 centimeter and theta is equals to 1.2 radians. But in this question, the requirement is not given. Means in question number 1, the requirement was to give the answer in terms of pi. Here is no requirement. So we just use the formula S is equals to R theta. R is 8, theta is 1.2, and if you multiply 8 into 1.2, you will get 9.6 centimeter. This is the answer. Part B, R is given 2.5 centimeter and theta is equals to 0.8 radians. So S is equals to R 2.5, theta is 0.8. By using calculator, 2.5 multiplied by 0.8 is 20. 20 centimeter. This is the answer. Sorry. Two centimeter. Answer is 2 centimeter. This is the answer of part B. So hope you completely understand question number 2. Let's start question number 3. Find in radians the angle of a sector of part A. Radius is 4 centimeter and arc length means S is 5 centimeter. Represent arc length by S. S is equals to R theta. So in this case we have to find the angle means theta. So theta is equals to S upon R. S is 5, R is 4, and 5 upon 4 is 1.25. 1.25 radian. This is the answer of part A. Now part B is R is 9 centimeter and arc length S is 13.5 centimeter. Therefore theta is equals to S. S is 13.5 upon R means 9 and 13.5 upon 9 is 1.5 radians. This is the answer of part B. Let's start question number 4. Find the perimeter of each of these sectors. Here you can see the word perimeter. Perimeter. Perimeter means overall length. Overall length. So if you take part A, where R radius is 4 centimeter and theta is equals to 1.1 radian. So the perimeter is this line, which is 4. In a sector, radius is always equals, this is 4, and this is the arc length. For example, if this one is the point A, this one is point B, so A to B is arc length. How to find arc length? S is equals to R, 4 into theta 1.1. So 4 into 1.1 is 4.4. But this is not your final answer. Perimeter is 4. Perimeter means what I wrote over here, overall length 4 plus 4 plus 4.4, and the answer is 12.4 centimeter. This is our final answer of part A. Hope you understand. Come to part B. Similarly, this is 8, this is also 8, and this is S. So R is equals to 8 and theta is equals to 2 radians. Therefore, S is equals to R, theta is 2, which is 16 centimeter, and the perimeter is 8 plus 8 plus 16, which is equals to 32 centimeter. Understand? Part C. Here radius is 5 centimeter, it means this is also 5, and this whole means arc length. So R is equals to 5 centimeter, theta is equals to 4.2 radians. First we have to find S. 5 multiplied by 4.2, which is equals to 21 centimeter. Hence perimeter is equals to 5 plus 5 plus 21, which is equals to 31 centimeter. This is the answer, final answer. So hope you completely understand question number 4, all parts, where the requirement is to find the perimeter. What does it mean? Perimeter means to find the whole length, overall length. Okay, let's start question number 5. This is question number 5, a word problem. Exam question. ABCD is a rectangle with AB is equals to 6 centimeter and BC is equals to 16 centimeter. O is the midpoint of BC. OAED is a sector of a circle. Center O, find AO. Part A, angle AOD. Part B, the perimeter of the shaded region. So given that AB is 6 centimeter, this is 6. BC is 16, this is 16. O is the midpoint of BC. It means O to C is 8 and O to C is 8. Okay. So if you see because it is a rectangle, so all angles of this rectangle must be 90 degree. So I can say triangle A B O is right angle triangle. So if this triangle is a right angle triangle, if we assign the name of AO is R, so R is the radius of a sector and R is the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. So what Pythagoras theorem says, square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the square of other two sides. So 6 square is 36 plus 8 square is 64, which is 100, and square root of 100 is 10 centimeter. Don't say plus minus 10 because radius is the length and length can never be negative. So part A is AO. AO is equals to R, which is equals to 10 centimeter. This is our final answer. Come to part B. Angle AOD. Angle AOD. Now we have find this is 10 radius and all radii are equal. This is also 10. And O is the midpoint. So if we drop a perpendicular from O to AD and assign the name of this like M, for example. So this angle theta, if we assign the name of this angle is theta, and this angle is 90 degree. So we can say AOM, triangle AMO is also a right triangle. A right triangle, because opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So BC is 16, then AD is also 16, and this is 8, this is 8. So now we can use the concept of simple trigonometrical ratio. Sin theta is opposite is 8 upon hypotenuse. This implies that theta is equals to sine inverse 8 upon 10. Now find sine inverse 8 upon 10 with the help of your calculator, but your calculator must be in radian mode. Answer is 0.92 radian. But we have to find the whole angle AOD. So we must multiply 0.92 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 1.85 radian. Hence, the requirement of part B is angle AOD. Angle AOD is equals to 1.85 radians. This is the answer of part B. Now the perimeter of the shaded region. Perimeter means C part. Perimeter means OA plus arc length AED plus OD. This is the perimeter. OA is already fine 10. OD we know radius are equal also 10. But arc length, What is the formula of arc length? S is equals to r theta. R is 10. Theta means angle AOD, which is 1.85. So 10 multiplied by 1.85 is 18.5 centimeter. Hence, perimeter is equals to 10 plus 10 plus 18.5. So perimeter is equals to 38.5. Very interesting question, but very easy. This is question number 5, and this is exam like question. Let's start question number 6. Question number 6 is part A. Find the arc length of AB. Sorry, find the length of arc AB. Very easy. Radius is given 10 centimeter and theta is given 2.3 radians. So S is equals to r theta 10 multiplied by 2.3. 10 multiplied by 2.3 is 23 centimeter. So length of arc AB is 23 centimeter. This is the answer of part A. Come to part B. The length of chord AB. So we have to find this length, chord AB, this one. How to find this length? It's very easy. Take this triangle A, B, O. This is just a rough triangle, but very untidy. This time is more good. A, B, O. This is 10, this is 10, this is 2.3. So if we drop a perpendicular, this perpendicular do two work. One is this angle, which you can say D. This point is D. This angle should be 90 degree, and theta 2.3 is split into two parts. So 2.3 upon 2 is 1.15. So each part is 1.15. This one is 1.15 and this one is also 1.15. So you can say triangle ADO is right triangle. Now you can find AD. How to find AD? By taking O. We don't have OD. No problem. Sine 1.15 is equals to AD upon opposite upon hypotenuse 10. So AD is equals to 10 multiplied by sine 1.15. Answer is 9.12 centimeter. But because we need the length of AB, AB must be 2 multiplied by 9.12 because D is the midpoint. Multiply it by 2, we will get 18.3 centimeter. Very interesting part. Now, the perimeter of shaded region. Perimeter of shaded region means P of shaded region means add all the lines, add the length of all the lines which are touching to the shaded part. One is AB, length of AB we have already find in part A, which is 23, plus length of arc AB plus length of chord AB we just find in part B, 18.3. So 23 plus 18.3 is 41.3 centimeter. This is the answer of part C. So very interesting question and very easy. Hope you completely understand question number 6. Let's start question number 7. Triangle EFG is isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? A triangle in which two sides are equal. EG and FG are equal. EG this one, and this one. So triangle EFG is isosceles. EG and FG is 16 centimeter. GH is an arc of a circle, center F with angle HFG is 0.85 radian. Find the length of arc GH. Very easy. Length of arc formula is S is equals to R theta. R is given 16 and theta is given 0.85. 16 into 0.85 13.6. Part B. The length of EF. The length of EF. It's very easy. If GF is 16 centimeter, then HF is also 16 centimeter because it is a radius and all radii are equal in length. Now, EF, we have the length of HF. Now, if we find the length of EH, then we can add 16 and this. Kindly wait. How to find the length of EH? Just wait, this is an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle, and if we drop a perpendicular over here, this is 16, this is 16. If this angle is 0.85, then this angle is 0.85 as well, because in an isosceles triangle two sides are equal and two angles are also equal. So this is 0.85. Okay, now if we find this is 0.85, if we find this cos 0.85 is equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse. No, I will use another strategy to find the length of EH. Yes, find. How? It's very easy. Take an isosceles triangle. Again, this is 16, this is 16, this is 0.85, this is also 0.85, and if we drop a perpendicular, this one, this is G, this is E, and this is F, and this angle is 90. Now take a right angle triangle. This is E, this is G, and then assign the name is H. This is H, already assigned 16, and this angle is 0.85. Now use cos theta. Cos 0.85 is equals to adjacent EH upon hypotenuse 16. So EH is equals to 16 into cos 0.85. Answer is 10.55. Now the total length must be multiple of this 10.55 by 2. The length of EF must be equals to 2 multiplied by 10.55, which is equals to 21.1 centimeter. This is the answer of part B. Very interesting part. And part C, the perimeter of the shaded region. Very easy. This is 16. Now we have to find the length of EH. First we have to find the length of EH. EH must be equals to total 21.1 minus 16. It's 5.1. Hence the perimeter is E G plus EH plus GH. So perimeter of the shaded region means add all the length which are touches to the shaded region. There is no concept of subtraction in the perimeter of shaded region. EG is 16. EH we just find 5.1 plus GH we find in part A 13.6. The total is 34.7. centimeter. So this is question number 7. What is next? What is left in this exercise? 8.2. Let's see. Nothing is left. So we have finished successfully whole exercise 8.2 today. What next? Area of a sector. We will do the whole exercise 8.3 in next lecture. Indeed, we try to finish all questions. So today we have done exercise 8.2 from question number 1 to question number 7. Hope you understand. If you feel any difficulty, I will help you. Write in comment box. Along with the request to all of you that if you are satisfied my video, kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.